Hey guys, have an unboxing and comparison video here for the new Pixel 4a. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Got some more tape on the back here. I do like the new style of just putting these little tape tabs or a cellophane wrap over it rather than that super thin shrink wrap. That was always tough to get through. Padded box. Feels almost identical to the iPhone box. Here, let's look at an example. So very similar in size to the iPhone 10 box. Looks very similar. And even opening it up, you can see not quite as thick as the iPhone box, but they're doing a good job of making it look like it as much as possible. All right, and here's the phone. So the Pixel 4a is the inexpensive version of the Google Pixel 4. Still has great camera, but it's plastic build, a little bit lower on the overall quality, but from what I'm understanding, still a very great phone. Even though it's got a plastic build, it's a very sturdy feeling phone. I like the almost minty colored button over here as their little accent that they've been known to do. Matches my labeling down here pretty well. Before we get this guy on, let's take a look what's in the box. Here, we'll get this out of the way. The Google packaging, SIM remover. Let's see, in our pamphlet we have in multiple language setting up the new Pixel. Awesome. So we've got a nice little legend here of what it's going to be. And then we have the USB-C. I'm so excited that more and more devices are going with USB-C. It's so much better, so much faster. And looks like we even have a USB-A to USB-C adapter in here. Excellent. Not a whole lot in the box. No headphones, despite the fact that there actually is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Get a little bit better lighting here. Okay, let's go ahead and get some of this stuff out of the way and power on the device. All right, the best part, let's be real here, the best part of a new phone. All right. And we have the little camera slot here. Fantastic quality screen for a budget phone. For a phone that's $349, it looks beautiful here in person. I'm not sure how well you can see it on the camera there, but absolutely gorgeous screen quality. And we'll give it a little bit of time to get set up. While we're getting it set up, I do want to do a size comparison. So I've got the iPhone 11 here. This is the 11 Pro, not the Max, just the standard size iPhone 11. And as you can see, their footprint is almost identical. Let's put them on top of each other here. The Pixel 4a coming in just ever so slightly smaller than the iPhone 11. And as far as the thickness here, almost indistinguishable. So if you're looking for a smaller phone, I think this is exactly where you're gonna find it. You've got a powerful small phone that feels sturdy, looks really nice. This black is very sleek. We've got the fingerprint scanner over here. Fantastic quality cameras from the reviews that I've seen, and you can't beat that price. So I think this might be a winner. But again, this is just the unboxing video, so we'll have to see some more performance views on it. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye.